This film will deal with the correct operation and maintenance of the RCA 400 senior and junior models. Proper care of these machines will ensure long life and excellent reproduction of sound and picture. The RCA 400 senior model comes in two cases, the projector and amplifier in one and the speaker and accessories in the other. The RCA 400 Junior is a single case unit with projector, amplifier, speaker, and all accessories in one carrying case. To set up the projector in running trim, first place the projector on a stand or table so that the edge of the projector is flush with the edge of the stand. Take off the front cover of the projector. In the junior model, the cover of the projector houses the speaker and also acts as storage place for the reel arms, speaker cord, and spare reel. In the senior model, these accessories are carried in the speaker case or projector cover. Take out the reel arms. The one with the smaller pulley fastens with a thumb screw on the front near the top of the projector. The other arm with the larger pulley is screwed onto the front of the projector near the bottom. Draw out the spring belts and slip them into the grooves on the reel arm pulleys. Remove the speaker cable from the case. Take the speaker to the projection screen and place it so that it will be at least ear level with the seated audience. The front of the speaker should be directed toward the center of the audience. Place the reel holding the speaker cable on the lower arm of the projector and unwind the cable. Insert one end into the jack on the back of the speaker. Plug the other end into the speaker receptacle on the projector amplifier. On the junior model, the power cord is permanently attached to the projector. Connect the power cord to any 110-volt 60-cycle AC power outlet. On the senior model, the power cord is separate. Plug in one end of your speaker cord into the jack on the speaker. Connect the other end with the speaker receptacle, which on the senior model is on the back of the projector case. Insert the round plug of the power cord into its receptacle. Before threading film through the projector, several initial adjustments can be made. First, switch on the projector and lamp switches. Use the tilting control to raise or lower the light image. On the senior model, the tilting control is located a little differently. To focus, loosen the lens lock screw and rotate the lens barrel until the edges of the lighted area on the screen become sharp and definite. Then tighten the lens lock screw. If necessary, pull the projector away from the screen until the image width is slightly wider than the screen, thus creating clean-cut edges. With these preparations completed, turn off the projector. We are now ready for threading. Place an empty reel large enough to take up your film on the lower arm. On the upper arm, place your reel of film with the square hole toward the inside and press until it clicks into position. If your film is correctly wound, the loose end will come down from the right, and in the case of sound film, the sprocket holes will be towards you. Attach the end of the film to the take-up reel. The rewind lever must be in the operate position before you can thread your film. Open the film gate by pulling on the lens lock screw. Lay the film flat in the channel of the aperture plate. Press in securely. Now close the gate. Press down on the first sprocket shoe and slip the film under the sprocket. Engage the teeth of the roller with the perforations of the film before releasing the shoe. The film loop should conform with the white line marked on the projector. Form another loop below the lens gate. The film passes over the guide roller and under the rubber pressure roller. Pull the film down to the finger stop and the loop will be of correct size. Thread the film around the sound drum, over the roller just below and to the left of it, then under the lower sprocket and lower idler roller. Wind the reel to take up any slack in the film. Lifting the reel slightly will place the correct amount of tension on the belt and hold your reel in position. The projector is now threaded and ready for operation. If a sound film is to be shown, the speed selector switch must be pointing down to sound. Turn the amplifier switch to the on position. Turn the volume control to 0 and the tone control to 5. On the junior model, the amplifier switch is lower down on the projector case and the volume and tone switches are combined. The large knob is the volume control. Turn it to 0. The small knob controls the tone. Turn it so that the white dot points to normal position. Switch on first the projector, then the lamp. A final adjustment of focus can be made. If a frame line appears at the top or bottom of the screen, turn the framing knob in either direction until the line disappears. To bring up the volume, turn the volume control clockwise. Make correction to the tone, too, if necessary. Sometimes during projection, a damaged film will jump in the gate of the projector. The lower loop will be lost, and the screen image becomes blurred. The loop can be reformed by pulling the film down quickly with a finger until it hits the curved stop. After the final fade out at the end of the picture, darken the screen by turning off the lamp switch. When the sound ceases, quickly turn the volume control to 0. Let the film run completely through the projector before switching off. We have seen how to run a sound film. For silent pictures, the same procedure is followed, except that the speed selector switch is up in the silent position and the amplifier switch is off. Rewinding the film should be done right after the showing if the film is to be shown again before it is returned to the library. Attach the end of the film to the hub of the upper reel, winding a few turns to make it secure. With the rewind lever in rewind position and the speed selector down in the sound position, switch on the motor switch only and let the film run back onto its original reel. After the show, the projector should be packed up and put away. First, lower the tilting mechanism. Disconnect the speaker cable from the speaker and projector. On the junior model, wind the cable onto the spare reel using the rewind mechanism and guiding the cable by hand. When rewound, return the reel and cable to the reel stud on the inside of the cover. Remove the reel arms. Lay them in the carrying hangers in accordance with the diagram in the case, and then snap the holding straps in place. Push the spring belts into the projector case. Hold one side and push the other. Coil the power cord starting from the wall socket end and insert it in the hollow space at the bottom of the projector. Place the cover on the projector and snap the side latches closed. In the senior model, the arms, cables, and spare reel fit into the speaker case. Regular cleaning ensures good service. Before each showing, the projector lens should be cleaned. A gentle wiping with lens tissue should leave the lens free of grime and dust. To clean the condenser lens and the reflector, first open the lamp house cover. Pull the condenser lens latch so that you can take the whole lens assembly out for cleaning. Care should always be exercised that finger marks are not left on lens surfaces. The reflector can be cleaned while still in position in the lamp house. It is a simple matter to remove the projector lamp for cleaning or replacement. Press down on it and turn to the left until released. Replace the lamp by lining up the lamp flanges on the base of the lamp with their corresponding slots. Press down and turn to the right until you feel it click into place. Whenever a new lamp is installed in the senior model, the illumination of the screen should be checked. If light distribution is unequal, turn the lamp adjustment screw in the center of the lamp house door to the right or left until the screen is uniformly lit. To reach the sound optical system, loosen the screw of the exciter lamp cover and swing the housing open. If the sound lamp needs replacing, press it slightly and turn it to the left. While the lamp is out, we can clean the sound lens. Use only a soft, lintless cloth for this purpose. Align the holes in the flange of the new exciter lamp with the pins in the socket. Push the lamp down and turn it to the right. The lamp will snap into position. Be sure to wipe off finger marks. Next, open the picture gate. Dirt and hard layers of film emulsion collect on the aperture plate and should be cleaned off frequently. Use a wooden toothpick to reach the corners. Clean the sides of the film channel with a stiff brush. Clean the film pressure shoe in the same way. If not perfectly clean, the accumulation of emulsion on the shoe can scratch your film. Never use a metal object to clean the film channel. Clean the sprockets quite frequently with a stiff bristle brush. A toothbrush is ideal for this purpose. Make sure all dirt is taken off the teeth. Clean the rubber pressure roller using a cloth moistened with carbon tetrachloride. To be sure of good sound quality, the sound drum should be kept clean at all times. Wrap a clean cloth around your left forefinger to reach the back edge of the drum. Rotate the drum a few times. Periodically oil the projector using number 20 lubricating oil in accordance with the instruction manual. Wipe off any excess oil. This is the only routine oiling of the equipment. In case of failure of an amplifier tube, the amplifier can be reached by removing the mounting screws and control knobs holding the amplifier cover in position. Tubes can be removed for testing and defective ones changed. Servicing of a more complicated nature should be taken to an authorized RCA dealer who has all servicing facilities at his disposal. Your RCA 400 motion picture projectors are worthy of the finest treatment. With correct operation and care, they will give many years of outstanding service.